Hi, friends. Now we are going to talk about how we can find a particular Fiori app related with a transaction code. So we can find this using the transaction code here. So what I'm going to do is I'll go here, and if I go to Fiori app, okay, I'll go to Fiori app library. Sorry, Fiori app library, and here you can see I go to Fury app library and I click on it, and suppose I want to find any app related with, suppose, the transaction code, FPL1N or Migo or something. Okay, let's see whether we can find. Okay, so here what I'll do is I'll give a search, and suppose I want to see related with FB03. Okay, whether there is any app related with it. So here I can see all these app display document, display general document, and other stuffs that is there, which is pretty nice. Okay, I get the information. Now if I want to find, suppose, FPL1N, I can search, and I will try to find whether there is any app related with that. But we can see overdue pay bills, where these things are already there. Okay, so this is there. Now I want to do something in a different way, where I want to see it in SAP. So at the end of the day, this is something that is external, but yeah, I want to see what is there already inside SAP that is ready to be installed or ready to be used in my 1809. So in order to know this, there is, at the end of the day, SAP, in SAP everything is a table. Okay, so once you have the table entry, once you know the table, then it's very easy. So the table for this is this SC16, and the table name is this one, SUI underscore TM underscore MM underscore APP, and here I'll just enter the transaction code. So suppose I want to put Migo, okay, for post goods receipt, and I press enter, and here I can see this is related with goods receipt. Okay, now here the same thing I will now do it for BP, business partner, but that's a very new important thing that is there. So you can see all this Fiori app that is available for BP. Now we will do the other thing. Suppose FBL5N. Well, we'll try to see whether it's there or not. So FBL5N is there, manage line items. So if I want to do FBL1N, okay, and I want to execute, here I get all this information. So this is very useful. The table name is again SUI underscore TM underscore MM underscore APP. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.